Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve 18 for free. Alright, this is the clip with the background noise.
This is a video of me talking with loud noise in the background.
As you can see, there is a fan in the background. And now you can't really get rid of it completely with the free version, but we'll try our best. So we go over to the Fairlight tab here. And then here on the audio one, what you want to do is just click it. And then here on dynamics, click on this left one. Just click it. And then here enable the expander and push the threshold to -30 and the ratio all the way to 3.0. And now if we listen to it,
this is a video of me talking with loud noise in the background.
There's still some noise in the background, but for me it's like way better. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve 18 for free. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.